Interactive quizzes and games have emerged as powerful tools in English learning, offering an engaging and dynamic approach to language acquisition. Unlike traditional methods, these activities leverage technology and interactivity to create immersive learning environments. By participating in quizzes and games, learners actively engage with the content, which helps them retain information more effectively. The instant feedback provided during these activities reinforces correct answers while allowing learners to immediately correct mistakes, making it a more efficient learning process. Quizzes and games often incorporate various learning techniques, such as multiple-choice questions, matching exercises, and fill-in-the-blank tasks. These formats not only test a learner's knowledge, but also improve their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. For instance, when learners need to match words with their definitions, they are required to think about word meanings, sentence structures, and context, leading to a deeper understanding of the language. Such active participation ensures that learners are consistently using their language skills rather than passively absorbing information. One of the most significant advantages of interactive games in English learning is their adaptability to different skill levels. Whether a learner is a beginner or advanced, these activities can be tailored to meet their individual needs. Beginners may focus on vocabulary and basic sentence structure, while advanced learners can engage in more complex tasks like grammar challenges or language-based puzzles. This adaptability ensures that learners remain engaged and motivated, as the content always aligns with their learning progress. Games also introduce an element of fun into English learning, which can be particularly helpful in reducing the anxiety often associated with learning a new language. The competitive nature of some games, whether against oneself or others, can motivate learners to improve their performance. Additionally, learners who may feel shy or hesitant in traditional classroom settings often feel more confident in expressing themselves during games, allowing them to practice speaking and writing more freely. Another important aspect of interactive quizzes and games is the focus on real-world language application. Many games simulate real-life scenarios where learners must use English in context. For instance, role-playing games might require a player to order food in a restaurant, ask for directions, or engage in small talk. These practical applications make the learning experience more relevant and meaningful, as learners can immediately see how their language skills translate to everyday situations. Moreover, these interactive activities foster a sense of community among learners, especially when multiplayer games are involved. Players can collaborate, share knowledge, and compete in friendly challenges, encouraging social interaction in English. Such collaboration not only builds language skills, but also cultural understanding, as learners from different backgrounds communicate and exchange ideas. For educators, interactive quizzes and games provide valuable tools for tracking progress and identifying areas where learners may need addition support. Many platforms offer analytics and reports that allow teachers to monitor their students' performance in real time. This data-driven approach enables more personalized instruction, ensuring that learners receive targeted support where they need it most. Don't forget to subscribe English Planet.